Welcome to SEOCurrent YouTube channel, your go-to source for expert marketing insights. In 2024, navigating the business landscape efficiently is key, and that's why we bring you this guide on low-cost marketing strategies that guarantee exponential business growth. From digital tactics to grassroots approaches, let's explore the game-changing methods that will elevate your brand without breaking the bank. Power of social media. Social media is a low-cost marketing powerhouse. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to engage your audience, share valuable content, and build a community around your brand. Consistent and strategic use of social media can significantly amplify your online presence. Content marketing on a budget. Quality content doesn't always require a hefty budget. Create valuable and shareable content that resonates with your audience. Utilize blog posts, infographics, and video content to establish your brand as an authority in your industry, driving organic growth without the need for expensive campaigns. Collaborate with micro-influencers. Tap into the influence of micro-influencers for cost-effective promotion. These influencers often have a highly engaged, niche-specific audience. By collaborating with them, you can authentically reach your target market and benefit from the credibility they bring to your brand. DIY SEO strategies. Master the basics of search engine optimization, SEO, to boost your online visibility. Implement on-page optimizations, conduct keyword research, and create valuable backlinks. With the right approach, SEO can significantly enhance your website's ranking without the need for expensive advertising. Email marketing for retention. Maximize the potential of email marketing to nurture customer relationships. Craft engaging newsletters, promotions, and personalized content to keep your audience informed and connected. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to drive repeat business and foster customer loyalty. Local partnerships and collaborations. Forge partnerships with local businesses to expand your reach without straining your budget. Collaborate on joint promotions, events, or co-branded content. Local partnerships not only amplify your visibility but also foster a sense of community support for your brand. DIY graphic design tools. Create stunning visuals with affordable or free graphic design tools. Platforms like Canva and Trello empower even those without graphic design expertise to produce professional-looking visuals for social media, blog posts, and marketing materials. Guerrilla marketing tactics. Embrace unconventional and low-cost guerrilla marketing tactics. From eye-catching street art to creative stunts, these attention-grabbing strategies can generate buzz without the need for a massive marketing budget. Customer referral programs. Turn your satisfied customers into brand advocates by implementing referral programs. Encourage customers to refer friends and family in exchange for discounts, exclusive offers, or other incentives. Word-of-mouth marketing remains a powerful and budget-friendly tool. Measuring and adapting. Whatever strategies you choose, track their performance. Utilize analytics tools to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Adapt and refine your approach based on the data to ensure ongoing success with a focus on ROI. As we conclude this guide on low-cost marketing strategies for explosive business growth, remember that innovation and creativity are your greatest assets. With strategic planning and a commitment to maximizing every resource, your brand can achieve unparalleled success in 2024. If you found these strategies valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert marketing insights. Here's to a year of remarkable growth. Until next time, happy marketing!